And we're back. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys do enjoy this content. So if you do, please a lot in the growing, because like that way we will hit all the YouTube algorithms, right? So today we are back at car project. I'm just home waiting for truck delivery to come. And yeah, that's gonna be a surprise for you guys. So I do really hope that you will like this one. Quick update on a Veloster. Veloster was sold finally. One thing I liked specifically about Veloster was the fuel consumption. Highway 6 liters, city 7.5. I never in my life had a vehicle that used that low fuel efficiency. I managed to sell it after maybe it was on the market for around a month. I did receive thousands and thousands of the lowball offers. We did make a profit, not as much as I was thinking that we will make, but everything it's a learning curve, right? So for the next one, hopefully we will do all the things right and better that we didn't in the Veloster build. Yeah, the vehicle will be here in 20 minutes. Until then, I will see you guys soon. Small damage on the rim here, huh? And here lots of damage on the rim. And this tire is as well toasted. And this rim, what fuck, what happened? Do you need some help?
No.
Oh, the battery is alive, huh? The battery is alive. Or what plan do you have? Should we push it like down?
If not started, push it down.
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah, the tires are anyhow toasted, right? Yeah. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been delivered and I'm super pumped. Actually, I was just a little bit of scared when I started, like when I heard the sound of the muffler. Anyhow, so let me guide you really quickly through the damages on this vehicle. Use all of the lights that I have just so we can have a better view. I would think that this impact, right? And like there's a slightly kinked and bent here, slightly kinked here. I don't know like what's going on here, but something obviously. This. Let me show you the fender test fitting. Okay. Let me try to open the trunk. There's a few things. Yeah, so the driver airbag was activated. Yeah, I just folded it in the back so I can have a better visual. Nothing else inside of the vehicle, obviously. Right? Jak się majete? Okay. The rims. Okay, rims are all four of them are scratched and something is peeling away. And I don't know what the F is this. Like obviously I will need 4 tires because like look how big of the chunk of the tire is missing here. 4 tires. I'm hoping not 4 rims. Yeah, look at this. Front fender. This rim is actually in the best shape of all 4 rims. Uni Royale something. Uni Royale something. Okay. And this one is bad. Oh my god, this one is bent. Here. Nice chunk here. Here. Like, is this repairable or what? I believe the answer is or what. For the next video, we will be collecting the parts, ordering the parts, and yeah, lots of other things. Okay, if you're excited for this build as much as I am, make sure, I will not repeat this twice, make sure to subscribe, to turn on the notification bell button, and to like this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Over and out.